Hey, you want to know one of the cool things about doing my job, being down here and getting full access to Autogeek is I get to test a lot of really cool stuff and see how they work and everything. And today I'm testing Mini R2D2 over here. Okay, no, it's a disinfectant fogger, and it also is an odor eliminating machine. You've seen these on social media where the guys put these in their cars, they get a ton of smoke through it, and it goes in through all the creaks and crevices, in the seats, in through the ductwork and everything like that, and gets everything out of it. So that is what I'm going to be testing today. So let's get at it, shall we? There's the magical unit. We're calling it the AKA the fogger. So running this thing is simple. All that you have to do is turn around, turn it on, wait for the green light to turn green, which is about 2 minutes. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your product, put it up there, open the cap, slide the little tube down inside, set it down in the floorboard so that way it gets sucked up into your AC unit and your ventilation. Then all the magic's gonna come right out here. All the fog's gonna come out. So let's get this done, shall we? All right. Grabbing it, positioning it, turning it on, and now we wait. Green. So now what we're going to do is open our bottle. All right, we're going to take the tube, stick it down inside our sample A. Then we're going to turn this. Ah, started already! Then turn around and shut the door. And we're gonna do a grievous cold start. Oh, it's alive. All right, but now, let's go back up here. Holy cow, look at that. We're already fogging it up. So now all we have to do is let it run for 5 minutes and we'll be done. So we'll be back at 11:07. Give you a glance of what's going on. Whoa! Whoa! You can see it coming out of the AC. That's what it's supposed to do. All right, we're back. Actually 1 minute late, but that's what happens when you're capturing footage. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unplug it. I'm gonna bring you down here with me. All right, we are done. Unplugged it. Going to let the car continue to run for another 15 minutes. So here in 15 minutes, we will turn off the car, open it up, and see if it smells good. All right, we're almost done letting it circulate through the car. But just so that you guys are aware, here's the proper procedure. Let me just reiterate it again with this. You put the little fogger inside, wait for the green light to turn on. That's about 2 minutes. Then once that does, you drop the line down into your solution, which has benzalconium chloride. So it's a disinfectant. All right, I don't know if I pronounced that right or not, but I'm not a doctor. I will put it up in the screen and I'll also put it in the comments down below. Benzalconium chloride, that's what is the disinfectant. Then this one is a clove smell, so I'll be smelling clove, I guess, for a little while inside there. But let's go ahead and turn this off. Where's my keys? Keep losing those things. All right, here we go. Gotta love remote start. So now the next step that you would do is turn around and unlock the doors, because when you do remote start, it locks the doors, so turn it, let the air out. So open all the doors. Okay. And you go, ooh, wow, that is a potent smell. I can smell the clove from here. All right. Does everything look, it's not wet, so it's not drowning this stuff into everything, so you're not going to have a film buildup from what I can tell. Let me come up here. Yeah, everything is nice and dry, so I like that. All right, time for, I guess, my review of the product. As you can tell, I'm in here editing the video, but you're watching the video, but I'm editing. So are you really watching, or am I really editing? With that being said, great conundrum of my life, I would want to give you a personal opinion of what I just experienced with that. Did it work great? Yes, it did. It totally made my car smell like cloves now, so I will give you an update on how long that lasts. But the nice thing is it disinfected my car, so that was amazing. The only other thing that I saw was there was a slight film that built up on the windshield, but it could have been that I already had a little bit of vinyl fog going on, and that just stuck to the vinyl fog. I really don't know, because I didn't clean the glass before. I should have did that. That would have been a really good test to see if I did any fog or filming on my glass. But what I went ahead and did is I went ahead and washed my glass. Then I did a quick wipe down of all the interior, because if smoke's in the air, it's going to get on stuff, and I'd rather have a clean surface. So that was me personally, but I also like a clean car. But did it do what it said? I think it did. It made smoke. That it did do. It went everywhere. You saw it going through the vents. You saw my car just get totally full of it. So, I like it. Why don't you guys let me know if you think Autogeek should carry this down below in the comments. And do you believe that this is all good, or is this just smoke and mirrors? Till next time, peace.